Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $2,511.66 with Clickbank affiliate marketing. I'm going to walk you through the assets that I use, the traffic method, the product, and everything in between. So if you're here for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you like this video because I'm always delivering value to you on a consistent basis, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Thank you once again for your continued support, for you returning loyal subscribers. And let's go ahead and let's dive into the content of this video. As you can see, I'm logged in to my Clickbank account. My username is Guts and Glory. I made this like, I don't know, 7 years ago when I first got started in Clickbank. And you guys can see if you scroll down a little bit here, you can see Tuesday, May 29th, $2,511.66. That's been my biggest day, I believe, to date for this whole entire year on Clickbank. And what I want to do is walk you through sort of how my income spiked. You can see, you know, before the 29th, I was doing right around, you know, $105 here. Actually, on the 16th, 176 here. Went a bit lower, then it went back up to 287, 337, 366, 320. You know, I would say my average is probably right around, you know, $250 a day to be conservative. And then all of a sudden, boom, $2,511.66. And then today so far, $483.20. So how did this happen? How did I do this? Well, let me first walk you through the sales process that I put people through sort of indirectly. And we'll talk a little bit about the offer. We'll talk a little bit about the follow-up and just everything, of course, in between. So the first thing that I did is I created a video within a specific niche that served a specific market. Now, for those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you obviously know that I serve the make money online market, which is a sub niche of the affiliate marketing market, right? I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past decade now, been really successful for the past about 4.5, 5 years. And I've been in other markets. I've done weight loss products. I've sold wart products, believe it or not. I've sold just odd, weird products in multiple niches. And so I got to a point where it's like, man, I know some things about affiliate marketing. I can pass that information down. Now, you want to ensure, of course, when you're starting in this business that you're going into something that you're incredibly passionate about, because it's going to require you putting out consistent content. I talked about that in my last video. And if you quit after a few days or a couple of weeks because you're not passionate, you feel like your heart isn't aligned with what you do, you feel like you're forcing content out there, then you probably shouldn't be in that niche. You're probably going to end up quitting anyway. So you really got to be passionate about what it is that you're doing if you want to make money on the internet. Now, I'm passionate. I'm so passionate about helping people break through and make money on the internet, enjoy the freedom that I've been able to enjoy, you know, for the past, you know, 4 years, 5 years, right? And my goal is to pass that information down to people so they can take it and deploy it and, you know, quit their jobs, create an extra side income, side hustle for, you know, their family so they can go on an extra vacation, whatever it is that you want to do. I want to help you create more, you know, freedom, passion, fulfillment. So here's a video that serves that specific market, aka make money online market. And you can see that this video is about how to make $100 to $1,000 a day in 10 minutes, right? So I give people incredible value. It's 17 minutes long. People ask me, Josh, how long do my videos need to be? They should be as long as they need to be to get your point across. Don't ramble too much. Don't go off track. Try and stick, you know, to the script, stick to the point, give people the meat and potatoes, and, you know, move on. And so I do my best to do that in each and every one of my videos. But basically I'll do that. And then at the end I say, hey, if you want more detailed information, right? Because we know that we can't cover, you know, everything in one video that's, you know, 17 minutes long. If we wanted to cover everything in one specific niche, it would be a freaking 5-day seminar at least, right? And we don't have that kind of time. So what we want to do is we want to lead people to a product that will help them get the rest of that solution. That's simply all I do in my videos. I will sort of give them an overview, and then I will lead them, hey, if you want access to the details, and, because success is in the details, click the link below and you'll learn a little bit more. And so when people click the link below my videos, they come to, of course, a capture page. And a lot of you guys have seen this part of the process, but bear with me here. So they go to what's called a capture page. I give away something for free here, which is, how to start earning $500 to $3,000 per day starting today. When people click this, they'll enter their email address, and then they're sent straight to an offer. Okay, this is the offer that I've been promoting for the past few months. It's called the 4% Challenge, and it teaches people how to become independent entrepreneurs, right? So they end up getting the trial to this challenge, right, for, I believe it's $1, right? And they get a free 7-day trial, and then it's $49 a month after that. What'll happen is when they go through the challenge, there's a whole ecosystem on the back end where people will learn the fundamentals of, building an online business, from mindset to, traffic generation, to conversions, to sales psychology, everything in between. So they're exposed to different products on the back end that they can choose if they want to purchase, and all make money within the ecosystem. Well, in conjunction with that, there's some other moving parts on the back end that get people to buy other certain products and services. Okay, let me show you exactly what I mean by this. So what'll happen is, people will come to this capture page, they'll fill out their name and email address, they'll come to this page, they'll get the trial, right? And what's happening between here and here is they are put on an autoresponder. Okay, and an autoresponder is simply a service that logs names and email addresses on your behalf. So it will hold thousands and even hundreds of thousands of email addresses that you can mass email in an instant if you want to. So if I've got 25,000 people on my email list, boom, guess what? I can email them all at once instantly. So what happens is, people will be added to the autoresponder. For example, I'm using an autoresponder in this service called Kartra. And you can see right here, I've brought in 134 leads today. Yesterday, 114. And the past 7 days, right around 2,924 leads. What I can now do is I can send them follow-up emails. If they didn't buy this on the first time, I can send them follow-up emails to entice them to purchase this specific program, right? Also, what I can do is I can send them to other different landing pages, so to speak, to sell other products within the 4% ecosystem. For example, here's one email that I sent out within the last week. And it just lets people know, hey, there's a mini training going on that my mentor, Vic, has put together. Click here and check it out. And what'll happen is they'll click this and they'll go straight to this page right here where he'll give incredible loads of value. And then what'll happen is he'll tell people from time to time, hey, get on this VIP waiting list because I'm releasing a product called Mass Traffic Blueprint. Okay, and to get access to that, get on the waiting list for that, all you have to do is click this button, enter your first name and email address. So he'll hold a series of these calls where he'll give value, and then people have the chance to opt into the VIP waiting list to get this Mass Traffic Blueprint, right? And then what'll happen is he will actually email those leads that I'm bringing into this page, and he'll let them know about a webinar. And on that webinar, he gives value, and at the end of it, he actually gives away this Mass Traffic Blueprint. In conjunction with that, he makes an offer, okay, which will help people take their traffic game to the next level. So what he's doing is he's selling on my behalf. Really, there's only one thing that I'm focused on in this whole entire process, and that is getting traffic to this capture page. okay? After these two things happen, it's pretty much hands off. I don't have to do any selling other than send out a couple emails to let them know about this training or these series of trainings to give them the chance to get on the VIP waiting list. Then Vic will email them, let them know there's a webinar going on where they can get access to this mass traffic blueprint that he promised. They'll go through the free training webinar. He'll give people access to mass traffic blueprint and also make an offer. When he makes that offer and people buy, boom. That's how I have this big $2,500 day, okay? What you want to do in your online business is you want traffic, right? Number one, to your business, but you want to build off of that traffic. What people tend to do is they're doing Instagram one day and they're starting to build these layers of traffic and leverage inside of their business, right? So they'll start doing Instagram. They'll put one layer down, right? They'll make another Instagram post, another layer, and then another Instagram post, another layer. Then they see that it's not working for them. So what do? They quit and they kill their skyscraper and they go try YouTube and they build upon, video upon video. They start getting a little results, but they're not getting the results they want. And they're just about to break through to getting their first consistent, 10, 20 leads a day, and they quit. They erase everything. And then they go and they try Facebook marketing, and they go and they try solo ads. So they never really break through. So the key, the takeaway in this video is to drive highly qualified traffic to a high converting offer, right? And get involved with an affiliate marketing system where the company owners know what the heck that they're doing to sell. They know how to sell. They know how to influence. They know how to give value. And because Vic is so great at what he does, I was able to have a $2,500 day. All I did was I followed exactly what he told me to do. He would send out an email to his list, right? I would take that email and send that same email out to my list. And that's a lot of what I did with these emails here. If I scroll down here, let's see, I'm going to see if I can see like live call tonight. Here's another example. Okay, and people go to here once again. They click this link. They go straight to this landing page once again. And this may be a different training, right? So it's a series of trainings, but he understands that his goal is to get people on this VIP waiting list. Once he does that, now what he's done is he's pre-framed people. They know, like, and trust him. So they're hot. They're really hot leads because the pre-frame's so strong because he gives so much value here. And by the time they, see the webinar, it's like the cherry on top. They already know about Vic. They know about me. They trust in each one of us. By the time they're done with that webinar, man, they're ready to buy. We've talked about how important it is to qualify our leads, right? On the front end, to pre-frame them. And if you do that the correct way and let the system work, boom, you're going to see days like this. And this is something that anybody can do. So if you want to learn a little bit more about, Vic's system and the challenge, you can check the links below in the resources section. It's my top recommended system right now. And also, to add to that, I've actually been kind of working in the background on something super special for you guys. For those of you that really want high level coaching, sort of one-on-one mentorship, or the closest that you can get to that without the hefty price. Because I know a lot of you guys, you run into technical barriers. You run into, problems here and there. And a lot of these systems out there don't teach you in complete detail. And even if they do, sometimes you misinterpret it wrong and you want somebody there in your corner that can truly help you along the way. So I'm going to be talking about this a little bit more in my videos, but I'm going to just give you a quick sneak peek of this. This is going to be my Inner Circle program. It's going to be limited for a certain amount of people. But if I scroll down here, you can kind of see what's going to be involved with this. So you'll get access to 2 live video conferences with me, right? We're going to be live. We're going to be, on video, raw and real, to where we're going to go through your business. I'm going to give you strategies, tactics, everything that's working in my business right now. You're actually going to get a physical monthly newsletter delivered to your door as well. And you guys can obviously go to this page and read a little bit more about it. Blown swipe and deploy, ready to use affiliate marketing campaign that's going to be handed to you on a silver platter every single month. So you're going to be able to take my marketing assets, everything that I'm using, right? And you're going to be able to deploy it inside of your own business. There's also going to be implementation videos, like techie stuff, show you guys how to connect everything together. But again, you guys can go through this. You can read it. You can check it out. I will post it below. And with that said, I hope you guys got value from this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already. And I can't wait to continue to give you guys value. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.